Hello, I'm Michelle 03, and although I'm not a math teacher, I do teach anatomy, and I've had a lot of math classes, and I know that math can be somewhat daunting to some people. They don't like it, they're math phobic, but I just want to show and share a few little tips and tricks that can make math a lot more fun. And the first one that I'd like to show you is something that we call the 11 trick. Okay, this trick is going to show you how to multiply 11 by any two-digit number and get the answer very quickly. Get the answer in your head. You don't even have to write it down on paper. You can just get it in your head. So this is a very, very cool trick. And let's get started. I will show you how we do it. Well, let's start with a relatively simple problem. Let's try 11 times 21. In order to get the answer, let's look at this. What we are going to do is we're going to look at this 21, and that's where we're going to get our answer. We're going to take the 2 and make it the first number. We're going to take the 1 and make it the last number. So we're going to get an answer of 2 something 1. To get the middle number, all we have to do is take that 2 and 1 and add it, and we get 3. So the middle digit is going to be 3. So we get a final answer of 231. Simple. You don't even have to write it down. You can just look at that and say 2, 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 231. So let's try another one. 11 times 34. Again, we're going to do the same thing. The 3 is going to be the first number. The 4 is going to be the last number. To get that middle number, we add 3 plus 4 and we get 7. So we have a final answer of 374. Simple, right? So let's do one more like that. 11 times 63. Again, we're going to take that 6 and have it be the first number. The 3 is going to be the last number. To get that middle number, we're going to get 6 plus 3, which is 9. We get an answer of 693. Okay, so now that we have that down, let me show you something else that can happen when we're doing this trick. Let's use a different color for fun. Let's try 11 times 68. Well, from the way I've shown you, you're going to think that the 6 is the first number, and we're going to put that right there. The 8 is the last number, but 6 plus 8, how is that going to be, how's that going to work? It can't be 6,148, can it? No, that's not how it works. That seems like an answer that would be way too big if you think logically. But we are going to use the same principle. We have the 6 and the 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. But what we're going to do is we're going to take that and write it like this. 1, 4. So it's like we kind of carried that 1, and we'll get a final answer of 748. We've just kind of carried the 1 over to the 6, added 100. So that's how we got the 748. So let's do another one. Let's try 11 times 93, or 94. I'm writing 94. 9, 4. 9 plus 4 is 13, so let's carry the 1, put the 3 there like we normally would, and we get a final answer of 1,034. Okay? So what you need to do is practice, practice, and practice some more. And you will get to a point where you can solve a problem, even one like this, without having to write it down. So let's say we're doing 11 times 77. Well, without even thinking, I can tell you that the answer is going to be 847. 847. Remember, 11 times 77. $847. So you'll get to that point too. You'll get to a point where you're just able to pop out with it, not having to write it down, not having to think about it. And you'll see that math really can be a lot of fun. So again, have fun, practice with it, and be sure to tell me how you like it. Bye.